Please avoid using these, including alcohol wipes. All you need is clean water and soft microfiber cloth. Just pour a bit of clean water into the cloth and you're good to go. You have your dry cloth and you have your damp one. Disconnect all power cables. Water and electricity don't go together. And place gently on a soft surface. You can use your bed, anything as far as it's soft. Now using your damp cloth, clean with minimal pressure, and you notice that the marks and dust will start to come off. Easy. And using your dry one, same thing, you can split it into another half and then clean from side to side or in circles, whichever you fancy. Everything works. It will take a few seconds, but eventually everything will come off without scratching your screen or any causing damage to your screen. It works all the time, and this is the best and cheapest way to keep on top of your cleanliness of your screen. Yep, so there you have it. Screen looks brand new, almost as if it just came out of the box, and we're good to go. Well, thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Please like and subscribe, I guess. Yeah. Bye.